Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. You want more information about barbecue smoker building plan? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about barbecue smoker building plan is smokerplans.net. Specifically the page titled Smoker Plans, Build a Smoker. This is the link. You can also try www.popularmechanics.com, especially the page Build Your Own Backyard Smoker, Popular Mechanics. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.bbq-smoker-guide.com. The web page Barbecue Smoker Plans, Build Your Own Smoker. Here's the link.